Guys, in this video we'll be talking about the difference between respiration and breathing. To start off, you just have to assume that breathing is something bigger, okay, and respiration is something smaller. It's happening this bigger thing. So if this is the human being, then this human being is breathing, whereas there are different cells inside the human being, and once those cells breathe, that is they intake the oxygen and they exhale the carbon dioxide, then the breathing of individual cells, we call it respiration. So now keep this bigger picture in your mind, and then we will talk about the individual differences between breathing and respiration. So respiration takes all the time. Similarly, breathing also takes all the time. I mean, if a person stops breathing, then he is dead. Similarly, if your cells stop respiration, then it means that your cells will no longer be producing energy which you need for different purposes. So respiration, as I just told you, that it's a micro process. So it takes place in every cell, and cells are small things. And breathing, it takes place in the lungs. So human being, it's a bigger thing. Human being has lungs, okay. So breathing takes in the lungs. I mean, we inhale the oxygen and our lungs exhale the carbon dioxide. So breathing takes at only one place, it takes in oxygen, whereas respiration, it takes place in each and every cell of our body. So respiration, it's a process that breaks down food to release energy. As you know, as a result of the process of respiration, cells basically they intake oxygen and they release carbon dioxide and food, okay, in the form of glucose. So the process of respiration, it breaks down food to release energy in the form of glucose. And respiration is the process of gaseous exchange with the environment. You are interacting with the environment. From the environment, you are taking in the oxygen and you are breathing out carbon dioxide. So it's a process of gaseous exchange. No energy is released as a result of breathing, okay. Next now, respiration uses oxygen obtained from breathing. So as a result of breathing, oxygen comes into your lungs, and from there it goes to each and every cell. So the process of respiration, it uses oxygen obtained from breathing, and breathing, it takes in oxygen from the environment. So breathing comes first, it takes oxygen from the environment, and once the oxygen is in the body, in the lungs, it goes to each and every cell. So respiration, the byproduct of respiration is of course carbon dioxide plus glucose, okay. Whereas what breathing does is that it removes carbon dioxide produced during the respiration. So when this respiration happens in the small cells, each cell releases carbon dioxide, and once the carbon dioxide is released, it goes into the lungs, it accumulates there, and once we breathe, then this carbon dioxide goes out in the environment, and once again oxygen comes in, and that oxygen goes into each and every cell, so that this process of respiration continue. I hope this video clarified your concept. For more videos, do subscribe.